Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to add testimonials to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then make sure you have logged in to manage.wix.com. Once you're here, look for the button that says Edit Site. Once you find it, tap on it. It should be color white. And once you tap on it, you will now be redirected to editor.wix.com. In here, click on plus add elements. Once you do so, you can now use the search bar on the middle of the screen. Once the search bar appears, all you have to do this time is to search for testimonial and then add to site testimonial strips. It should look like this. Once you click on it, it will automatically be added to your website. As you can see, these are testimonials from people that have already tested your product. In here, you can also add their name, add their image, and then whatever they said, coding it for your very own products. The other amazing thing from here is that you can also edit the testimonial strips, coming from themes to fonts to font size and colors and everything that makes sure that it will be added to your brand aesthetic and marketing design. Go ahead, take your time in tinkering about in the testimonial strip. I'll be here waiting once you're done. You can pause the video as well if you want to. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.